In this video, I will show you how to use rounded function to round to nearest 1000, 100 or 10 in Microsoft Excel. So we have this example data. So type this formula equal sign rounded. Now select round. Now here select cell. In my case it's A2. Now comma. Now here type -3 to 1, which is you need. So we will try with -3, then press enter. So we can see it's near about 1000. Now drag and drop. Similarly, you can try with -2. So last two number will be near -1. So this is the nearest 2230, and also you can try with 0. So it will not change any difference, but here where you have the point, so if you make 0, so you can see the difference. It will remove this points number. So this is the way you can use rounded function in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.